Have you heard of the GP token? GP is currently one of the hottest projects on the market, with a price surge of over 120% in just the past 24 hours. On the Nansen platform, smart money is flowing in heavily, a strong sign of trust from professional investors. So, what is GP? GP is built on a decentralized blockchain platform, focusing on creating a sustainable ecosystem for game developers and Web3 users. The project aims to tokenize in-game assets, allowing players to truly own virtual items, trade them freely, and earn profits directly. GP is more than just a regular token. It comes with an entire ecosystem including NFTs, staking, and attractive reward mechanisms. Here's something you don't want to miss. GP is preparing for or has just launched an airdrop, a huge opportunity to get free tokens by simply connecting your wallet, completing a few simple tasks, or even just holding the base token. If you're someone who loves long-term potential Web3 projects, GP is a name you definitely shouldn't overlook in your investment portfolio or airdrop hunting list. Start exploring today. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Here's how to create a Nansen account in just 30 seconds. Go to app.nansen.ai and click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a secure password, then click Continue. Check your email and click the confirmation link. Done. Or even easier, you can choose Sign In with Wallet to log in using your crypto wallet like MetaMask. Fast, simple, and completely free. Get ready to hunt airdrops today. Congratulations! You've successfully logged into Nansen. This is the main dashboard, where you can track new tokens, whale wallet movements, and potential airdrop opportunities. Start by exploring the smart money or token screener sections to see which tokens are being heavily bought today. Right now, you can see that you have 20 NXPs and need 980 more NXPs to reach the first milestone of green tier. So, what is NXP? NXP, or Nansen Experience Points, are rewards you earn for interacting, using, and exploring Nansen features, such as log in daily, connect Web3 wallet, follow new tokens, use smart money analysis tool, add tokens to watchlist, and many other actions. The more you use, the more points you earn, and the better the rewards. When you reach certain milestones, you will unlock many gifts from big partners. For example, Nansen, subscription discounts, early access to alpha, and account sharing with friends. CoinGecko, access CoinGecko Premium and API. Ledger, get discounts on hardware wallets. Delphi, free experience and discount on pro upgrade. Tokenomist, Money, and Cast, offer promotions, discounts, and cashback up to 10%. There's even Bybit VIP Access if you hit 10,000 NXP or coming soon rewards, only for those who have connected their wallets. Note, each reward will require a different amount of NXP, for example, 980 NXP for CoinGecko or Nansen Pro, 50k NXP for Kaiko and Velo, 10k NXP for Bybit VIP. With just a few simple steps each day, you will soon accumulate points and unlock a series of exclusive gifts. Nansen is more than just a Shark wallet tracker. It's also a place where you get rewarded for being a smart user. Visit app.nansen.ai now and start your journey to hunt for free NXP points today. If you are using Nansen to track Shark wallets, hunt for new tokens, or receive airdrops, don't miss the chance to earn free NXP points by sharing your referral link. Now I will guide you in detail how to get ref link and receive reward. Step 1. In the left corner of the screen, click on Account Settings, which is the Account Settings section. Step 2. Scroll down to the Refer and Earn Points section. Here, you will see your personal referral link. Step 3. Click on the copy icon to copy the link. It's that simple. Just share this link with your friends. When they sign up for a Nansen account using your link and upgrade to the Pioneer or Professional plan, you will both receive NXP, points that can be used to redeem exciting rewards like CoinGecko Premium, Ledger Wallet, and many other perks. You can also enable email notifications to receive weekly reports when someone signs up or upgrades through your link. Note, the more people register via the link, the more chances you have to level up and unlock more gifts. And if you find the video useful, don't forget to subscribe to SQ channel so I have more motivation to share more quality Web3 tutorials. Hit the subscribe button now and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on earning free crypto every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.